All right, today we're going to bring a heavy duty swing set. This one could carry up to 550 pounds. It comes with three sets of swings. It has a little nest, some stairs, and a usual swing. Now, the stairs are made of rope. If you guys can see the rope ladder, it's very handy. This is very durable. It's outdoor graded, so you don't have to worry about rust or anything, and it's perfect for yards. If you don't have too much space, this is perfect. It doesn't take that much space when you set this up. The entire build was very simple to install. It took about 30 minutes to set up.